Hi everyone, this is Craig Bloodworth of the Information Lab, and in this video I'm going to quickly go through a brand new web data connector I've just built for the service ParseHub. Now ParseHub allows you to generate and create an API built from any website. So in an example here of what I've just built, I've gone into Amazon and searched for data visualization books, and it's returned a list of books that I can then query with ParseHub. Now I'm not going to go through the actual method of using ParseHub and of extracting out the various attributes of the books. There's loads of videos and tutorials on the ParseHub website. But as you can see, I've got here a list of books. I'm extracting out the title, the release date, the number of reviews, and we get a preview at the bottom here of what the ParseHub API is going to return from this website. It's going to give me a JSON list of book titles, release dates, number of reviews, prices, everything that I've selected within this template. So let's go into Tableau. I'm going to select the web data connector from my server connection list and go to my ParseHub web data connector. Now within your ParseHub account is an API key. It's available at parsehub.com/account. I'm going to paste in mine, hit get projects, and there's our project I just set up, my Amazon Data Viz books. Now we get a list of all of the potential columns that we can pull in to Tableau. And the web data connector goes off and does try and figure out what the data types are. It doesn't always get it right. For instance, I know release date, although it does have the word date in the header, Tableau's not going to recognize it as a date because of the format, so we can use some date parse to take care of that later. So I'm just going to set that as a string. And I know that number of reviews is actually an integer, so I'm going to set that as an integer. Hit get data. And now Tableau and the web data connector is going to go off, query the ParseHub project, get the data in, and pull it into a Tableau data extract, which you can see now. I have a list of dimensions, the columns in the API, and one measure, that integer of number of reviews. Now the release date, if I put that onto rows, you can see it is a format of sort of day, short month, and then year. We can just use the date parse function. With the format D, MMM, and 4Ys. That'll parse that out nicely, and we can work with this as a proper date, because what would be kind of fun is just to see what the trend of releases of data visualization books has been over the past few years. So one record in this data set is one book. I can drop that on, we can see that, wow, the number of data viz books has been increasing. We've gone from like 10, 11, 20 a year, and in 2012 we're up to 78 a year. 2014, 199 a year. Last year in 2015, 347 data viz books were released. It's definitely a hot topic right now. That's as easy as it can be to pull in data from any website via ParseHub and the Tableau web data connector. To get to the connector, go to data.theinformationlab.co.uk/ParseHub and you're off and running. Thanks for listening.